Hello students, welcome to Biology and welcome to another class. So in the last class we have discussed about the characteristics of living organisms and the meaning of defining feature. আৰু এইটো চাইছিলো যে কোন কেইটা লিভিং অৰ্গানিজমৰ characteristic defining feature হয়. Okay? So today we will discuss about biodiversity. Biodiversity. Okay. So bio means here biodiversity consists of two words. Generally to লিখোতে আমি মাজত ড্যাশ না থাকে means total এটা word হয় but just বুজিব সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে মই ইয়াত কি কৰিছো দুটা wordৰ নিচিনাকে লিখি দিছো. First bio means life and diversity means form. তাৰ মানে কি জিমান organisms আছে আমাৰ অৰ্থত জিমান organisms আছে different types of organisms, different forms of organisms, all those organisms are together known as biodiversity. Plant, animals, etc. etc. গোটেইবোৰ মিলি কিনে কি হয় biodiversity. So let us try the definition of biodiversity. That biodiversity refers to number and types of organisms. Types of organisms. Okay. Another important data which is given in your book যে এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ অৰ্থত কিমান organisms identify হৈছে কিমান organismsৰ কথা means described আছে কিমান organisms এতিয়ালৈকে known হয়. So till now or till date you can write till date 1.7 million to 1.8 million number of species are known and described. And what? Described. Means এতিয়ালৈকে কিমান 1.7 ৰ পৰা 1.8 million number of species described হৈছে as well as ইমানখিনি species known হয়. So it's a very huge number, isn't it? So we are clear about biodiversity, means the meaning of biodiversity. Now we will see another term, that is taxonomy. Taxonomy. Like biodiversity, this word also consists of let us consider it as components. Okay, this word consists of two components. Taxo means arrangement and nomi means rules. So কি হয় যেতিয়া কিছুমান rules কিছুমান norms follow কৰি পিনে classification কৰে means arrange কৰে বস্তু এটা হেতুকে কোৱা হয় taxonomy. So 1.7 million ৰ পৰা 1.8 number of species আছে এতিয়া গোটেইখিনি species অক যদি আমি একো classify নকৰাকে বেলেগ বেলেগ গ্ৰুপত arrange নকৰাকে যদি থৈ দিও then বহুত hard হৈ যাব আমাৰ কাৰণে মনত ৰাখিবলৈ. But if যদি আমি কি কৰো যেনেকৈ আমি কি হয় স্কুলত হাউস ওয়াইজ ডিভাইড কৰে isn't it বেলেগ বেলেগ হাউসৰ স্টুডেন্টস বোৰ ৰাখি দিয়ে. So similarly তেনেকৈ স্পিচিছ বোৰ কি কৰে বেলেগ বেলেগ ক্লাস বেলেগ বেলেগ গ্ৰুপত arrange কৰি দিয়ে and that term is known as taxonomy. Another term is before that let us write the definition of taxonomy. That it is the branch of science the branch of science which deals with classification of organisms. Means in taxonomy we classify the organisms according to some rules. Okay, another word which you have to know, that is systematic. It is related to taxonomy. Systematic. So what is systematic? It means, simply you can write like this: taxonomy plus phylogeny. So what does it mean by phylogeny? It a phylogeny mane hol evolutionary relationship. কি হয় যেতিয়া এটা নতুন অর্গানিজম, সাপোজ এ নিউ অর্গানিজম টু আমি কি নতুনকে অর্গানিজম এটা পালে, এতিয়া প্ৰবলেমটো হল যে হে অর্গানিজম আমি কোনটো গ্ৰুপত থম। অলৰেডি কিছুমান গ্ৰুপ আইডেন্টিফাই হৈ গৈছে, সাইন্টিস্টে নতুন অর্গানিজম এটা পালে, এতিয়া অর্গানিজমটো কোনটো গ্ৰুপত থব। সো কি কৰিব, হে অর্গানিজমটো কেনেকুৱা ক্যাৰেক্টাৰ শো কৰি আছে এটো ষ্টাডি কৰিব। মৰফোলজিক্যালি হ'ব পাৰে, মিন্স এক্সটাৰ্নাল ক্যাৰেক্টাৰ হ'ব পাৰে, তাৰ ইন্টাৰনাল ক্যাৰেক্টাৰ হ'ব পাৰে, মিন্স এনাটমিক্যাল ফিচাৰ হ'ব পাৰে। লগতে এটো চাই যে ইভলিউশনাৰি কানেক্টেড হয় নেকি বা কমন এনসেস্টাৰ থাকিব পাৰে নেকি, ইভলিউশনাৰি কিবা ৰিলেশনশিপ আছে নেকি হেইটো অৰ্গানিজমৰ বেলেগ অৰ্গানিজমৰ লগত। সো দ্যাট ইজ নন এজ phylogeny. In bracket you can write the meaning, that is evolutionary relationship. Yes. So systematic means taxonomy which is based on evolutionary relationship. So this term was given by, first systematic term to kune disile aru kor pora ahisile, the very known scientist Carolus Linnaeus. আৰু Carolus Linnaeus কি কৰিছে, বুক এখন লিখিছিলে। সেই বুকখনৰ নাম আছিল, the name of that book was Systema Naturae. So in this book Carolus used this term systema, and from this the word systematic came. Okay, now we will see about that what is the need of classification, and some means taxonomy under ki ahe, means actually keneke identify kori pine keneke naming kore eta organism, that we will discuss. Now we will see the taxonomy under means arrange korute organism eta ki basis of arrange koribo. Okay, so let us write taxonomy includes bare repeat kori asu je ki tar যেতিয়া অর্গানিজম এটা নতুনকে আইডেন্টিফাই কৰিব লাগিব, নতুন অর্গানিজম এটা যেতিয়া বিচাৰি পাব, সেই অর্গানিজমটোৰ কি ষ্টাডি কৰিব, ক্যাৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক। ফাৰ্স্ট অলৱেজ ক্যাৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক ষ্টাডি কৰিব, and that is known as characterization. So characterization at ki ahibo, ji character ase whether it is morphological or anatomical, hey characteristics khini ki koribo, study koribo. Jetia earlier times means এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হয় যে আমি অৰ্গানিজম এটা জাস্ট কেইদিনমান আগৰ পৰাহে নেমিং কৰিব ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছো নো এটো বহুত আগৰ পৰা কি কৰি আছে সাইন্টিষ্টে অৰ্গানিজমছ বোৰৰ নাম দি আহিছে সো ওল্ড টেক্সনমি কি হৈছিলে old taxonomy it was basically based on only morphological characters only morphological characters morphological characters means external features যেখিনি আমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা দেখি পাওঁ So old taxonomy upon morphological characters type decide korisile that this organism will be classified under some previously known group. But new or modern taxonomy ki hoise but nowadays new taxonomy বা modern taxonomy বুলি যোনটো কয় তাক কেনেকৈ ক্লাসিফাই কৰে Yeah, only morphological characters nasai means external features kini okol consider nokore. In new taxonomy or modern taxonomy, along with morphological characters, anatomical features are also studied. Means bhitorer pora ji characters thake, internal jikhini characters thake, those characters are also studied. Morphological as well as anatomical. Okay. So first one we got characterization. Next is once the scientist will study their characters, tar pisot decide koribo paribo je ei organism to a previously identified group etar logot similar characters show kori ase. So that process will known as identification. So in identification it means the placing of a new organism under some previously known group on the basis of morphological and anatomical characters. So that is known as identification. And third one is the most important, nomenclature. Nomenclature means naming of an organism. Etia amar sobore eta naam ase. So naam tu nohole amar keneke matile hoy, amar friends e keneke matile hoy, amar teacher e keneke matile hoy, ba amar relatives e amar mother e ki boli matile hoy. So we have a particular name. Similarly all the organisms, jiman plants ase, jiman animals ase, sob organism or ki hoy eta particular নাম থাকে সো কিহৰ কাৰণে লাগে নামটো আমাক নামটো কিহৰ কাৰণে দিয়ে যাতে সেই নামটো দি আমাৰ স্কুলতো জানে সেই নামটো দি আমাৰ মিন্স যতে আমি যাও যাতে সেই নামটো দি আমাক চিনি পায় বা সেই নামটো কলে যাতে চিনি পায় সিমিলারলি প্লান্টস বা এনিমেলছৰ কি হয় সেই নামটো কলে যাতে সবে গম পায় that they are talking about that particular species. So nomenclature means simply we can write giving a specific that name should be very specific defining name to an organism. So hey particular naming process to ke koa hoy nomenclature. Again this nomenclature are of two types. One is binomial and second one is trinomial. What is it? Trinomial. So binomial, we understand this word, isn't it? Bi means two, right? Duta boli kole bi boli koy na. And tri means mono, bi, tri, tetra, penta, isn't it? So tri means three. It consist of two component মানে binomial nomenclature কি হবো দুটা component থাকিব means দুটা word থাকিব and trinomial name will consist of three component or we can say two component or you can say three word in trinomial nomenclature. Say for example itu binomial nomenclature first example likhisu Mangifera indica, the very famous and very common example আমি খাই যোনটো বহুত ভাল পাও mango Mangifera indica. This is the scientific name of mango. So you can see it consists of two words, isn't it? One is Mangifera and second one is indica. তার মানে এটো কি হবে binomial. And trinomial example eta dim suppose Corvus splendens Corvus splendens. Here you can see in this scientific name there are three components. Tinta word ase na Corvus splendens. It means this name will be classified under trinomial nomenclature. So these are two examples of binomial and trinomial nomenclature. Next we will see এইটো তো চালু যে scientific name or ওপৰত কিন্তু আমি কি scientific আমি mango খাও বুলি কোনে নাই আমি না আজি Mangifera indica খাব মন গৈছে. Generally we don't say like that, isn't it? But Corvus splendens to common name of crow. এনেকে কোন নেকি যে আজি আমাৰ ঘৰত একদম এক জাক Corvus splendens আহিছিলে. No. So যিখিনি নাম আমি locally কও বা আমি ঘৰত কও those names are known as local name or vernacular name. কিন্তু local name আৰু vernacular name to কি হয় it varies according to places মানে ইয়াত যদি বেলেগ কৈছো বেলেগ আমাৰ অসমৰে suppose বেলেগ এটা পাৰ্টত lower Assamত বেলেগ এটা বুলি ক'ব পাৰে local name এটা same species or hey same species to upper Assamot beleg বুলি ক'ব পাৰে. But scientific name is always universal. It is a Mangifera indica বুলি কও means এটো লাগিলে আমেৰিকাতে থাকক কানাডাত থাকক means all over the world কি হ'ব Mangifera indica বুলি ক'লে mango টোৱে বুজাব. That is the basic difference between the scientific and local name. So you wrote it down, then we will proceed to next discussion. So we got about the scientific name and local name. Now we will study some rules of binomial nomenclature. Because at the very beginning we have studied when we were writing the definition of taxonomy that the arrangement is always on the arrangement is always on the basis of some rules. Kisman rule follow kori pine ki kore organism bur arrange kore. But before that one thing you should know, binomial nomenclature was given by wait a second. Trinomial is so binomial nomenclature was given by first kune disile Carolus Linnaeus. And june systematic term to disile and trinomial nomenclature disile it was by Lamarck. Okay, now we will study some rules for binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature korute mas binomial scientific name eta likhute ami ki rules follow koribine likhibo lagibo that we will write. So rules for binomial nomenclature. Rules for binomial nomenclature. ইফালে এক্সাম্পলটো লিখি থৈছো the most common example Mangifera indica. Yes. Now, first rule. Eta Mangifera indica কোনো English term নিচিনা লগা নাই, isn't it? So, scientific name বোৰ কৰ পৰা আহিছে? The scientific names, all names are derived from Latin. Derived from Latin. মানে এই গোটে words বোৰ Latinৰ পৰা আহিছে. Second is, yes, we got that it consists of two words. It consists of, means binomial scientific name consists of two words, isn't it? Two words which are separately underlined. Eta moi likhute ki korisu underline korisu because etu eta rule hoy. Etia jodi underline to separately nokori pine, suppose if we underline like this, this is wrong. The only correct way to underline the scientific name is to do it separately. So it consists of two words which are separately underlined. Okay. Now, third one. Yes, the first one, whenever we write some scientific name, binomial scientific name, the first one always denotes the genus name. First word we denote kore genus name, and the second word always denotes the specific epithet, or the second one always denotes the species name. The first word to likhote ki korisu capital ot likhisu m2, and when second word to likhote ki korisu smaller. Etu rule hoy that whenever we write the genus name, it should always start with capital letter, and whenever we write the species name, it always starts with small letter. So let us write that point. The first word, or you can write first component, the first word denotes genus name, which always starts with capital letter, and the second word denotes species name, which always starts with small letter. Okay. Now, these 3 points we are very clear about that. Suppose Mangifera indica নামটো ধৰি ললো Carolus linnaeus দিছে। এতিয়া Carolus linnaeus যেতিয়া Mangifera indica নামটো দিয়ে, তেতিয়া আমি কি হয় Linnaeusৰ নেমটো at the end লিখিব পাৰো, means after the species name we can write the name of discoverer. যোনে হে নামটো ডিসকভাৰ কৰিছে, যোনে হে নামটো দিছে, সেই সাইন্টিষ্টজনৰ নামটো কি আমি after the species name we can write that. But Mangifera indica to the Girl of Linnaeus December hetu koa nai. Just example to show kori disu je ami scientist jonor naam to kot likhim. Ami Mangifera pisot kintu Lin ni likhu. Okay, don't get confused. Lin to ami kot likhim and after the name of species, isn't it? And Lin jetia likhim, the first letter should be always capital. Etu capital hobo. Tar pisot Lin. Aru as well as discover name to ami underline nokoru. Just etu teneke thakibo. Simply etu capital di start hobo and we will write the name of the discoverer after the name of species name. So these three rules are very important whenever we write a binomial scientific name. Now, eta example disilu trinomial name or Corvus splendens splendens. Yes, we got that the first name denotes the genus and the second name denotes the species. The third name to ki hobo, third component to ki hobo, not name, sorry, third word to ki hobo. So third word to it denotes subspecies. It denotes subspecies. Okay, so ki denote koribo, third word to a subspecies denote koribo. So this is all about the binomial and the trinomial nomenclature. So this is about today's video. Hope you have understood and hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, then please don't forget to share as well as subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Keep learning. Thank you.